You good?
Where is it? Where is it? I know you! I know you!
10 Cromer? It's 10 Cromer.
Hey, whatever you do, don't go in there. I'll give you like 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you pick up this fucking trash.
I mean, we're at Good Samaritans, right?
I hate when people litter. Like, there's no reason why you should.
Damn.
You too fucking lazy to fucking take your trash when you're done, like, doing shit here. That's stupid. Fucking stupid.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I've been in on that.
Dude, that shit, like,
Smells.
smells.
What the hell?
Fuck.
Language.
My bad. What the
Hey.
fuck?
Hey.
No way.
Not on ya.
Dude.
What the hell?
Right? What?
Wait.
This has to be a prank.
No way.
Dude, that's fucking... Dude, that's a...
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
We'll get demonetized for this. What the hell?
Fine, yeah, you're right. We're gonna have to censor that shit out, dude. That's fucking gross.
That's not church.
Dude, let's just get out of here, man. What the hell? Speaking of more trash. Oh shit, dude.
It looks similar.
Dude, no.
No.
That's John Pork's hat.
No way.
His iconic hat. John Pork's iconic hat.
No.
Holy fuck, man.
Fuck.
Oh shit, this is the river.
Oh shoot, really?
This is the river. That's John Pork right there, man.
Oh fuck.
Holy
Oh fuck. No. 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 It was the real one.
I should have picked up his call. I should have picked up his phone call. You know what we gotta do, right?
What?
We gotta preserve him.
In what way? Shape or
We
form?
gotta make sure that his energy stays with us. John Pork isn't something that's now. It's John Pork forever. Follow me. Nothing happened. I fucked it up. Anyways. So sadly, rest in peace, John Pork. He will be missed, but we were able to get some of his remaining body parts that were in the bag and turn it into some delicious food. And we're about to show you how to cook this delicious meal.
Oh yeah.
So start off with a little bit of oil.
It's oil. It's oil. It's oil.
Yeah, that's really hot.
That's church.
No, like it's super hot.
Oh yeah. That's church.
You know, it sucks. It's kind of stuck in a fixed position.
Yeah. Push it.
No, like this whole thing is.
Oh, stuck. Okay.
It won't fit otherwise. But
Cookie boys.
is this safe?
Erm.
This cannot be safe. Pig's feet. Right here. John Pork. Got his meat right here. John Pork meat.
All I left was his feet. His 3 feet.
All we got was. You want to get your
Should
baba
be-
kwap?
Should be, yeah.
What?
Baba Kwat.
Should it be what?
Oh yeah, it's 3. Okay, I counted correctly. I can start it off. Okay. Oh.
Chicken trying to get up. Alright. We're just going to use this mixing bag to mix up some of these powders, some of these fluids. And fuck it, might as well just go in. Alright.
Dang,
That looks
I'm gonna throw it in
good.
there with all that good seasoning, all them good juices.
Sweet baby goodness.
Oh, look at that!
Oh yeah.
Son of a bitch, that burnt. You know what? We're just gonna do a light meal for two
Hungry boys, if you will.
hungry boys. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna grab your garlic, water.
Oh Jesus.
And just go in.
Oh, hamburgers. No.
Oh, dude, none of the actual garlic got out.
Oh, hamburgers.
There you go. You want to make sure you get it all in there, cause you know you can never have too much garlic.
Oh, fuck. There's vampire teething.
Lamps.
You gotta watch out, kids.
Late ice and Margiela. All I see is numbers. Rain on my umbrella. Them 808s like thunder. Pretty bitch, I just like a stove in the summer.
You got 8 hours. Chef Greg here with the funny ingredients. Like, first off, pineapples.
Damn, that one's so excited it wanted to get out.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Look at that. That's the broth color that it should be.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Some good old A&W. First thing,
So-
I'm a mug guy.
Yeah. So to get that brown sugar flavor, we literally got some brown sugar, if you will.
Don't mind if I do. Aaron, get your people.
Dumbass, get closer.
Man, come on now, get that pep off there. Come on,
Fine.
somebody get that, man. Come on now. Come on,
Make sure
get
you
that
flip the
pep off there.
sausages
I don't
inside
wanna
out.
see this no more.
They seem to be turning red.
Oh, hell no. What the fuck?
Actually, they're evenly cooked, Greg. They're evenly
That
cooked.
smells fucking weird. That's not church.
You know, we need more AW. One
yeah.
more AW.
One more.
One more. Let me get that money shot.
Oh, I got my mouth. Money shot. Jesus Christ. Oh, hell no.
Yeah.
Looks like the nephew.
Dude, it actually looks just like a type of food. Doesn't even look gross.
And you know how it is with the spam. What's up, Doc? Okay. You're kind of hard with the tongs.
Should just reached in there.
Oh, yeah.
Like with your.
Oh yeah.
Isn't it great?
This John Pork meal looks really good.
Yeah, John Fork really went for a good sauce. Look at that.
I think we need a little more spam.
Yeah, I think a little bit more. That spam looks so good. It looks like you want to have a bite of it.
Well, why not?
Go ahead.
Bottoms up.
That's a big ass piece.
Yeah.
Hey, what the fuck was that?
Nothing. I swallowed it.
Anyways,
I am a swallower.
not too much. You know how to do it, right?
Yeah.
You kind of scaring me with that oil, kid. Go. No, do it the way you were gonna do it. Pull it down. Not splash it, you idiot! What the fuck is wrong with you? You said you knew how! Drizzle it in there, motherfucker! That oil fucking got in that. Oh my god, you're so stupid. Flip them inside out.
Oh yeah. Tell them to think. Okay.
Get that one, get that piece. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, and don't forget the sandwiches. Just like the school used to make them. Oh yeah. Let's Chef Greg do it.
Oh, my bad.
We should mash it like in potatoes.
Yeah. This sandwich do look good.
Ah, hell nah. I guess that's Gio's piece.
Oh, it's so gross.
Damn, this fucking pan is fucking full. What the fuck?
Just let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and you're good.
You gotta squish him a little bit. Just like nephew used to make it.
Yep. Just like nephew used to make it. I think it's done. You know what time it is, right?
What? Ah, looks ready.
Serve it up.
God damn. Lord have mercy. We must stay focused. John Park's looking good out here.
A little bit of everything.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, stuff. Greg, you silly Willie. What are you doing? Food's already out hot. You gotta eat it while it's fresh.
Oh yeah. That's right.
Yeah, that's good.
Well,
Bottoms up.
no time like the present. Better out than in, I always say. Wow, where the fuck do you like eat this at?
The meat. Dead meat. John Fork. Rest in peace.
Oh yeah, rest in peace.
Oh,
John
let's say
Fork.
thank you to John Fork.
Thank you to John Pork, Pop Smoke, and Chester Stone.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Enough talk. Ah, that's not me.
Boy, that was a fucking Squidward bite.
Oh, yeah, okay. First off, watch. Second, I'm the third. I can't fucking bite this.
Bottom's in. Okay, yeah, that's actually hard.
As he said.
What the fuck did I just eat?
You can't bite this shit. You can't bite it. That's not church. That's not church. What's worse is that it's fucking hot.
That's something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's so gross. It's fucking sweet. Pork rinds, pork rinds.
Well, let me get the sausage. Let me get the sausage.
This is a bad idea. There's a reason why I brought a fork.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, those guys.
Don't forget the Vienna sausage. The buffalo. Surprisingly, not even bad. I had worse. Well, I did have some spam earlier. Yeah, work some out for Gio. Don't mind if I do. It's fucking spam.
You know what? Feed me. Feed me.
It's fucking spam. It doesn't taste like anything. Jeremy. See, nephew.
I don't know what it is, dude. It tastes like food, but it doesn't taste like food.
It can eat. It can eat. Why is it black? I could see some hot Cheeto girls eating this. Not looking right. He's alright. You try it.
Okay. Bottoms up. Oh, fuck them. Oh. I don't know why that tastes really gross. What the fuck is a sandwich? Where is the sandwich? It's gone.
Wait, I did some cheese in here.
Wait,
This is a sandwich. This is a sandwich.
If he's called me the sandwich, eat that.
Fuck, that's going in my body. Ah. Well, they do call me the sandwich.
No, chew.
I'm not eating the bread. No, fuck that.
What's wrong with it?
It's too fucking moist and sweet. I don't want that in my body. That's fucked.
Dude, that fucking root beer made it taste gross.
I think you put a little too much. I think I've gone too far into some places.
Why you keep throwing just food in my backyard?
Oh, whoops.
My dogs are gonna eat that, yo.
Well, more for them.
The fuck was that? Fuck blood doing?
I hate that.
Yeah, it's really gross. Damn. Ew, fuck off. Eat that.
Okay.
Great, eat that. Babakwa.
Bubble. Oh yeah. Damn, we need some more napkins.
Buddy done cooked this up well.
Okay, man, look. Can't fucking finish it.
For a bit, I forgot what you were eating. What is this? It looks like chicken. Why are you scared of eating it?
It's bread. It's bread. I'm not eating the bread. Fuck that. I'm not eating the bread.
You closed your mouth so quickly.
Chicken sandwich.
Nephew's called me the sandwich.
Come on.
Come on, Hulk.
I need to train for the wheel.
Come on,
Next
Hulk.
food video with Oscar.
Come on, Hulk.
Come on, Hulk. Come on. Come on. Oh, God. Okay, no. We're saving that for later.
Stop throwing it on the floor. Throw it back on the pan, you fuckwit.
On the what?
The pan.
On the pan?
Yeah, just throw it on the floor. Wait, okay, yeah, never mind.
I'm gonna fucking. Girl, that's not good. That's straight up not good. That's fucked. That's not Good.
Oh, that was gross.
Ugh, fuck.
Drink the Kickstarter.
Jesus. Look at the way up. Oh, God.
Chef Greggy.
Get the bev. Never.
The bev in question.
The bev in question. Oh, shit.
That's fucking gross, dude.
Oh, fuck. That's fuck.
I haven't eaten all day, and this is what I fucking put in my body.
Fuck. Random dog. Hey, I'm a dog too.
Hey, I'm a car too, you know.
This shit sucks. It's a reference to the Sonic Juice video. It's not good, kids. Don't try it at home.
It gets too big.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's it, folks. We're different on pork, am I right? Oh yeah. If you got silent on me looking ass. Ah. Oh yeah. We'd like to thank John Pork and
Go.
company.
Shut the fuck up.
Everyone.